Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to show you how to enable native NVMe eSSD device support in Windows 11. If you find this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more technical tutorials. Let's start with the first registry method. Move your cursor to the taskbar and click on the Windows icon. Type in Registry and click on the Registry Editor app to open it. Once the window appears, you will need to navigate through the folder structure on the left side. Start by clicking the arrow next to HKEY Local Machine, then expand the System folder. From there, go into Current Control Set and expand the Policies key. Next, look for the Microsoft folder, expand it, and finally locate and select the key labeled Feature Management. If there is no Microsoft folder, you can follow our next method, which will create this folder automatically. Now, click on the Overrides key to highlight it. Move your mouse to the right-hand pane where we will create 3 specific values. Right-click on any empty space, select New, and then choose DWORD, 32-bit, value. You need to name this first value 735209102. After naming it, double-click the entry and change the value data to 1, then click OK. Repeat this exact process to create a second DWORD value named 18535696164 and set its value data to 1 as well. Finally, create a third DWORD value named 156965516 and update its value data to 1. Once all 3 entries are visible with the correct data, you can close the registry editor and restart your computer to apply the changes. If there is no Microsoft folder and you want to use a quick method, use this CMD method. Click on your search bar, type CMD, and make sure to right-click the result to select Run as Administrator. You will then need to copy the 3 specific commands provided in the video description. Paste the first line into the black window and hit Enter. Then follow up with the second line and the third line in the same way. After you have executed all 3 commands successfully, close the window and reboot your system. Once your computer has restarted, you can verify that the native driver is active by checking the Device Manager. Right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager from the menu. Locate the section for storage controllers and expand it. You should now see the standard NVMe Express controller listed there. If you right-click it and select Properties, you will be able to see the updated driver details confirming the native support is now fully enabled on your system. If this video helped you solve the problem, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.